Okay, so this video we're going to talk about keywords and just some easy ways to kind of find out what people are searching for, and that sort of thing. So as you can see here, I'm on Google and I've done a search for auto repair. One of the very easiest things that you can do to find keywords is to do a search and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and see these searches that are related to auto repair. And you can see different things. Like, of course, they're searching for the names of businesses. They're searching for auto repair near me. They're searching for auto repair with the city name after it. And sometimes, you want to see, like, is somebody searching for auto repair Atlanta, or are they searching for Atlanta auto repair? It seems like such a small thing, but it might actually be something that would make a difference when you are writing your content. Of, do you put the location name before or after the search term? And that could be different for you depending on where you are and how people search, because people that are in Louisiana may search different than people that are in New York City. So you want to know how people search near you. So you can come down here to searches related to auto repair or searches related to whatever your search term is, because they always show this. And you can get some good ideas for what people are searching for. All right. Another thing that you can do is to use the Google answer box. Now, I'm going to show you there is no Google answer box, or there actually is. There's a Google answer box here on this term where I searched for auto repair. And when you click it, you'll notice that additional questions pop up. So you can see all of these questions that are coming up, and this is going to be great for like coming up with ideas for blog posts, coming up with answers to questions, because that is what this answer box always has in it, is questions. So you got the question here, is a dealership more expensive than a mechanic? That would be a good blog post. How do you know if a mechanic is ripping you off? Might make a good blog post, but when it's an auto repair shop that's writing that post, it's there could be so much bias there that it may not be a good blog post to do. But I'll show you another example here. We'll do Duramax poor cold start, and I'll do the search, and then it's right here at the top. People also ask. Now, if you notice, there's 4 questions here that have been, or that are being asked, but as soon as I click on one, you're going to see additional ones pop up. So I'm going to click, and now we have the one that we opened, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if I click it again, then we have more that come up. Is it bad to leave a car plugged in? Can I leave my block heater plugged in all night? These are all great questions to answer in blog posts, and every time you click it, it gives you more questions. So use this when you're trying to come up with an idea for a blog post. Maybe you have a basic idea. You want to do something about auto air conditioning, but you want to get a little more specific. Go do a search for something to do with automobile air conditioning and see what else comes up in the question box. All right. So I'm going to minimize this now. Let's see, we'll get this out of the way. And then I'm going to bring Google Chrome in here. Now I want to show you Chrome, because on Chrome I'm using a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere, and you can just go to keywordseverywhere.com. For the features that I'm going to show you, it's free. They do have a paid account that will give you some more features, but you can sign up with Keywords Everywhere. You do have to go create an API key with them, which is an easy process to do, and put that into the extension that goes into your toolbar. But you'll see that, like, I've done that same search for Duramax poor cold start, and as I scroll down over here on the right hand side, I've got this box that shows me related keywords, and I can actually export them to a CSV file. It shows me people also ask for. So it's pulling, right from the Google answer box. So that Keywords Everywhere is, it's just a great free tool to use to be able to find some information on keywords. Like right here where it says load metrics, that's something that you need to pay to get. And it tells you how many credits you'll use because you just buy credits. But anyway, just to get some good related keywords, and the people also search for information, you can get that for free with Keywords Everywhere. All right, the other thing that I wanted to show you is Google Trends, and I showed you this as static slides, but I wanted to actually do a couple of searches just to give you an idea of how this works. So let's say that you do diesel repairs. All right, so what would people search for? They might search for something like diesel mechanic. So we'll type that in. All right, I'll hit enter, and then it's going to show me like how often that is searched for. But then up here at the top right, we've got our compare, and and it probably would help if I actually spelled diesel right, so I'm going to go back and correct that. Let's see. All right, so diesel mechanic. All right, and then we'll see, how it comes up for diesel repair shop. And we can see the difference. We can see that diesel mechanic is searched for far more than diesel repair shop. So, when you are coming up with your search terms, you can use this to get an idea of what you should be optimizing for. And you can even add more in here. So, we'll just do diesel shop and see how that comes up. And, it comes up kind of right in between the two. And then let's do diesel performance. I suspect that this one will win. Nope, still diesel mechanic wins out. So this is a fantastic tool to be able to see what people are searching for. And then as we scroll down, you can actually see like these states that are down here in green. Diesel performance is searched for more than diesel mechanic. The darker blue it is, the more searches there are for diesel mechanic. So great tool to use to figure out what keywords you're going to use. So I hope that helps. Don't just optimize your website carelessly. Don't just pick random words to optimize for. Make sure that the words that you are optimizing for are the ones that people are searching for. If you have any questions, let me know.